Good morning, students. Today I will go through page 206 of same chapter, comparing quantities. Let's see questions one by one. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. A dash with its denominator 100 is called a percent. Simple it is a fraction with its denominator. A fraction with its denominator 100 is called a percent. Percent means means by, and cent means 100. Percent means by 100. A fraction with its denominator 100 is called a percent. So here in the blanks we will fill fraction. Now see question number 2. 15 kg is dash percent of 50 kg. 15 kg is dash percent of 50 kg. Very simple it is 30%. 15 kg is 30% of 50 kg. Means 30% of 50 is equal to 50. 30 by 100 into 50 is equal to 50. Simple it is. Here in the fill in the blanks we will fill 15 kg is 30% of 50 kg. Question number 3. In a class of 50 students, 8% were absent on one day. एक दिन 8% बच्चे absent हैं. The number of students present on that day was 8% अगर absent है तो present कितना है? 92% है. ठीक है. So number of here in the blanks, in blank we will fill 8% was were absent, then 92% were present. So 92% of 50, 92 by 100 into 50, it is 46. Means 46 students were present on that day. 46 students were present on that day. So in blank we will fill what? 46. In blank we will fill 46. Okay. Question number 4. See question number 4. Rohini bought a bedsheet for rupees 400. Means cost price of bedsheet is rupees 400 and sold it for rupees 440. Means selling price is given here is 440. Then her dash percent is dash. Here we have profit, and profit is equal to SP minus CP, and SP is equal to rupees 440 and CP is 400. Their difference is 40, and we have profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. It is 10%. So there is profit of 10%. Is it clear? Now see question number 5. Amount obtained by depositing rupees 20,000 at 8% per annum for 6 months. Here time is 1 by 2 year. 6 months means half a year. Question number 5. Amount obtained by depositing rupees 20,000 means 20,000 here is principal amount. Question number 5. Principal here is rupees 20,000 and rate is 8% per annum. Means 8% per annum means 8% per year, and time here is 6 months and is equal to half year, and we will find here amount. Formula of amount is P into 1 plus RT by 100. Here principal is 20,000 and rate is 8%, time 1 by 2 by 100 is equal to 20,000 into 1 plus 4 by 100. 20,000 into 1 plus 1 by 25. So this is equal to 20,000 into 25 on 26 by 25 is equal to 20,000 into 26 by 25, 8 ja 200, 800 times this 0, 0, 8 6 are 48, 8 carry 4, 8 is 16 4, 20. It is 20,800. So amount is equal to 20,800 and our principal was 20,000. So interest here is 800. But in blank we will fill rupees 20,800. Now come to true false. See questions of true false. When an improper fraction is converted into percentage, then the answer can also be less than 100. Is it true or false? When an improper fraction is converted into percentage. Suppose an improper fraction is 6 by 5. When it is converted into percentage, 6 by 5 into 100 is equal to 120%. Simple it is. 6 by 5 is an improper fraction. When converted into percentage, it is 120%. Here, then the answer can also be less than 100. False. It is false statement. Question number 1 is false. In true false, question number 1 is false. Can also be less than 100 नहीं, more than 100 होगा, ठीक है? Now question number 2. 65% is equal to 5 by 3. It is also false. 65% is what? 65% is equal to 65 by 100. And it is 13 by 20. 13 by 20. Which is not equal to 5 by 3. So 2 is also false. Come to question number 3. So come to question number 3. If a chair is bought for rupees 2,000 and is sold at a gain of 10%, then the selling price of the chair is 2,010. It is also false. If a chair is bought for rupees 2,000 and sold at a gain of 10%, means 10% of 2,000 is equal to 200. Therefore, selling price should be 2,200. So this given statement is also false. Here SP will be 2,200, not 2010. Clear? Now see question number 4. Now see question number 4. The simple interest on a sum of rupees P for T years at R% per annum is given by the formula SI is equal to T into P into R by 100. Simple, it is true. Question number 4 is true. Formula for SI is principal into rate into time by 100. The same thing written there. Question number 4 is true. Now 5. The interest of rupees 350 at 5% per annum for 73 days is rupees 35. So see question number 5. It is false. And how it is false? Let's see. Interest on rupees 350. Principal here is rupees 350. And rate is 5% per annum. Rate is 5% per annum. And time is equal to 73 days. 73 days when converted into year, it is 73 by 365. Here 5 is 1 by 5 of year. Okay, 73 days when converted into year, it is 73 by 365 is equal to 1 by 5 year. Now we will find interest. The interest is principal into rate into time by 100. It is 35 by 10 means rupees 3.5. But here given rupees 35, so it is false. So in blank you will fill false. Only question number 4 is true here. Remaining 1, 2, 3 and 5 are false, and question number 4 is true. Is it clear, everyone? Now see next question, which is match the columns. Now see match the columns. Match the column A with column B. 5% of 40 is simple, it is 2. Match the columns question number 1. 5% of 40. It is simple. 5% of 10% of 40 is equal to 4 and 5% is equal to 2. It is simple 2. 5% of 40 is equal to 2. 0.25. 0.25 means what? 25 by 100, which is equal to 25%. D. 1C 2D. C question number 3rd. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is what? In percentage it is 2 by 3 into 100 is equal to 200 by 3 is equal to 66 whole 2 by 3%. Means 3A and 4 number 6 whole 1 by 4%. 6 whole 1 by 4% is equal to 25 by 4% is equal to 25 by 400 is equal to 1 by 16. Means in ratio it is 1:16. So it is B. 4B. 1C, 2D, 3A and 4B. Is it clear? Now again see match the column. Question number 2. Same point interest. Here only we have to match formula. Same point interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. SI P into R into T by 100. Clear? Now profit percent. Profit by CP into 100. So number 3, loss percent. Loss into 100 by CP. And question number 4 is income. Income is equal to expenditure plus saving. Income is equal to expenditure plus saving. Now come to assertion region. Part 1, assertion region. Assertion is if 20% of students are passed out of 40, then the number of students passed is 8. Very true it is. Assertion is true. And 20% of the students out of 40 students is equal to 20 by 100 into 40 is equal to 8. Reason is this. So option number A is true. Both assertion and reason are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. See, assertion is question number 1. Assertion is 20% of the students are passed out of 40. Then the number of students passed is 80. Assertion A is true. In question number 1, assertion is true, and reason is 20% of students 20% of students of 40 students is equal to 20 by 100 into 40. 20% of 40 is equal to 20 by 100 into 40 is equal to 8. So it is also true. So our option A is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, and R reason is correct explanation of assertion A. Clear? Now come to question number 2. Assertion here is Rohan bought a ball for rupees 80 and sold it for rupees 50. Then the loss is rupees 30. It is true. Assertion is true. And profit is equal to SP minus CP. Here we have loss. In assertion we have loss, but in reason it is profit is equal to SP minus CP given. So both are true. Both A and R are true. but R is not the correct explanation of A. Assertion is true. Reason is also true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion A. Clear? Now see question number 3. Assertion is when the cost price is higher than the selling price in a transaction, we lost money. Okay, it is true. Assertion is true, and loss is equal to CP minus SP. It is also true, and reason R is correct explanation of assertion A. Question number 3. When the cost price is higher than the selling price in a transaction, we lost money. It is true. Assertion is true. And loss is equal to CP minus SP. Loss is equal to reason. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. It is also true. It is also true. So our correct option is A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of assertion A. Clear? Now come to question number 4. For a last of assertion reason based question. The interest on rupees 10,000 for 6 years at the rate of 20% per annum is rupees 15,000. First find interest. SI is equal to principal into rate into time by 100. Principal 10,000, rate 20% per annum, and time is 6 years by 100. It is 12,000, but here given 15,000, so A is false. Assertion is false because it is given 15,000 there. And the answer is 12,000. And reason interest I is equal to P into R into T by 100. It is true. I is equal to P into R into T by 100. So it is true. So here correct option is D. A is false but R is true. D. A is false means assertion is false and reason is true. Is it clear to everyone? So it is all for today's class. Tomorrow we will see next questions. Till then, goodbye everyone. Take care.